Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day it is where you are. Hey, listen, my name is Larry Johnson, and I'm going to talk to some folks about making money. Of course, uh, if you're like me, you always want to make a little extra money. In fact, let me ask you a question. Who do you know who could use or need more money than they currently have right now? Hey, that's probably anybody, right? So listen, I'm out in the back. I'm getting ready to check my grill. I got a pork butt on here, and I am going to. I don't know if you can see that's my Traeger grill there. It's got a pork butt on there, so I'm getting ready to check that. Gonna have some company over, have some pulled pork. But I digress. Listen, I've just discovered a way to make some money. It's not, you don't have to have a product, you don't have to have a service. I know there's a lot of companies out there, great companies. They provide a great service, they provide a great product. This is something very simple. It's easy to do, it's automatic. You don't need a product, you don't need a service. All it is a way to generate extra money. And not only just on a monthly, weekly, you can generate income on a daily basis. We have people on our team generating daily deposits into their account. So this is very, very interesting. I got involved here just shortly and already started making money with it. So listen, you can go to, let's see, what do you want to do? LarryDJohnson.com. There's a small video at the bottom there. Just click on that video, then watch the webinar. It'll tell you everything you need to know about how to use this system to generate some daily income. You can comment down on the bottom of this video if you like. I can send you that information specifically to your box, your inbox, and let you see what me and my team are doing to really generate some income without having to work with products, without having to sell anything. It's a specific strategy. In fact, there's only 3 steps to it. All you have to do is follow these 3 steps, and you can find yourself start generating daily, continuous income. I mean, the income is continuous. It's automatic. It comes continually. You don't have to do anything to get it going after you get the program started. So I'm excited about it. And if you're looking for extra money and you don't have to deal with products and services, you just want to create some income, this is a great opportunity to do that. So comment down below, send me the info. I'll get you the link to the video, let you see exactly what it is that we do, the exact strategy that we follow, and see how hundreds and thousands of people, not only in this country, but around the world, are using this specific system to generate daily, weekly, monthly income on a continuous basis. Don't wait, man. Do not wait. Do it now. All right, I'm out of here. Bye.